Namaste and welcome to this introductory video. So do you believe that meditation is a difficult practice, or do you believe that it is too time consuming and you can't just do it every day? Is it so? Here I am with this workshop to change this exact belief system. This is a 7 days online workshop wherein I will be giving you all videos, audio recordings and PDFs and a lot of other material which you all can use and create your own meditation habit. Now, the way this works is very simple. I will be creating a main WhatsApp group to which you will be added once you have registered, and whatever notes, whatever videos, whatever recordings I have to share, I will be sharing it every night at 9 p.m. You don't necessarily have to be online that time, as the content will always be there in the main group. And the best thing about this workshop is that you can access all of this at your own convenient time and place, of course. So please make sure that you all register, and the workshop starts from the 17th of November. So this Diwali, just gift yourself this workshop. And to get a little into the detail about how these 7 days will be like, we'll be starting with some breathwork techniques on the first day. The second day we will be doing guided meditations, and this will help you create your own way of meditating, and you can actually do your self-guided meditations after this as well. Also, I will be introducing some Zen techniques towards the end. And on the last day, we'll be doing something very cool, which is walking meditation. And you will also get notes for all of this, which means that you will exactly know what you are doing and why you are doing. And do not worry, it will hardly take 10 to 15 minutes of your daily time. So it's something which you can definitely invest in. So as I said, the best thing about this workshop is its convenience, that you can study, you can read, you can practice whenever you want to. And I think this is the real essence of an online workshop, an online means of learning. Also, a separate group will be created for doubt solving and for your queries, or you all can get in touch with me personally regarding whatever doubts you all have, or if you want to know about more advanced techniques, or if you want to know more about anything in particular, you can always message me and get in touch with me. Also, whatever content I will be sending on the WhatsApp group will be emailed to you at the end of the workshop, so that you can retain all of these things for the rest of your life and you can practice whenever you want. So please make sure that you register. The fees for this workshop are rupees 150 only. So please share the word with your friends, among your loved ones, and register as soon as possible. And then I will be adding you to the main group with all the registered members. See you guys in the workshop.